In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to translate a document to any language, specifically focusing on Hebrew. This quick step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that even if you're new to Gemini, you'll be able to translate your document smoothly and efficiently. First things first, we're going to start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading straight to Google. Once Google is open, go to the search bar and type in Google Gemini. You'll see several search results, but you'll want to click on the one that directs you to the official Google Gemini website. It's always safer to use the official site to ensure your data remains secure. Now that you're on the Gemini homepage, the next step is crucial. Look for a plus sign icon, which typically represents the upload function. Click on this icon to initiate the upload process. This is where you will select the document you want to translate. Make sure your file is in an acceptable format. Commonly, PDFs work well, ensuring that your document is both legible and properly formatted for seamless translation. After selecting your document, it's time to give Gemini a prompt. Think of this as a little note telling Gemini what you want it to do. For this video, we're going to type in, "Translate this PDF to Hebrew." Writing clear and concise prompts not only helps Gemini understand the task better, but also increases the accuracy of the translation. With your document uploaded and the prompt set, the last step is straightforward. Simply click on the Submit button. By doing this, you send your request through for processing. Depending on the size of your document and the current system load, the translation might take a little time, so be patient. You'll want to double-check the translated document once it's received to ensure that everything translated as expected, especially if there are any specific jargon or technical terms. Taking the time to review the results will help you confirm both quality and accuracy, and it will enable you to make any necessary adjustments quickly. If your document requires high accuracy, consider consulting with a native speaker or using additional translation tools for verification. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you can easily use Google Gemini to translate documents into Hebrew or any other language you choose. This user-friendly tool is ideal for breaking down language barriers, and by mastering its features, you're well on your way to seamlessly converting your documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.